everyone and welcome back to Mastermind e-learning. In today's video, we will be learning how to construct angles of 15 degrees, 30 degrees and 45 degrees using a ruler and a compass. So let's get started. Let us now see the construction of a 30-degree angle using a ruler and a compass. The first step is to draw a line segment BC of a convenient length. Now we construct an angle of 60 degrees at point B using a ruler and a compass. We've already put a video on how to construct a 60-degree angle, so I'm not going into the details. You can watch that video if you need to know the details. Now we bisect this angle to get a 30-degree angle. 30 is halfway between 0 and 60. So to get a 30-degree angle, we need to bisect a 60-degree angle. Now this is the angle bisector that we are drawing. Our angle is ready. Measure this constructed angle with a protractor to check its measurement. It should measure 30 degrees. Angle ABC is the required angle. Let us see the steps of construction of a 15-degree angle. The first step is to draw a line segment BC of a convenient length. Construct an angle of 60 degrees at point B using a ruler and a compass. Now bisect this angle to get a 30-degree angle. Now we'll bisect this 30-degree angle to get a 15-degree angle. 15 is halfway between 0 and 30. So to get a 15-degree angle, we need to bisect between 0 and 30. This is our angle bisector. Our angle is ready. Measure the angle with a protractor to check its measurement. It should measure 15 degrees. Angle ABC is the required angle. Let us now see the construction of an angle of 45 degrees using a ruler and a compass. The first step is to draw a line segment BC of a convenient length. Now we will construct an angle of 90 degrees at point B. For detailed steps on how to construct an angle of a 90 degree, you can watch the related video. The link is given in the description box. 45 is halfway between 0 and 90. So to construct this angle of 45 degrees, we need to bisect a 90-degree angle. Now we are going to bisect this angle. Taking the compass on the arms, both the arms, we draw arcs in the center. And they intersect at this point. Now we draw a line passing through this point of intersection and B. This is our angle bisector. And our angle is ready. Measure the constructed angle with a protractor. It should measure 45 degrees. Angle ABC is the required angle.